Yeah.
If you want, I can give you some more. Yeah, for sure. You have Instagram? Yeah, I have. I don't use that much, but I use WhatsApp. Okay. You can sure. You can take a look. Yeah, but I wasn't there for 2 days just to pick up some clothes and make a laundry. And yeah, now
Dito na kami sa Hot Shop Suit. Ayan. It's 440 Egyptian pounds. Card lang ang gagamitin.
Pounds Hot Shop Suit. Hot chicken soup. Nah. Hat. Ship. Ship like cruise ship. So hat at the beginning, ship like a cruise ship, and suit.
Suit. Oh. Hot Ship Suit.
Ship, suit.
Hot Ship Suit.
Hot chicken soup. What do you know about hot ship soup?
Pharaoh?
Cairo?
Pharaoh?
by a female.
Female.
Female Pharaoh.
18th century.
Queen and king. Female, male. All of them.
Oh.
Okay, I will explain one by one. But before I start explaining, because this area very tiny, okay, so I will explain the history of the temple at the beginning. After that, all of us will back, and I will explain in this biggest area, because here most of the tour guides, they come to those two belong, that one belong to one king. His name Intib from 11th dynasty, and this is from one king. His name is too much difficult for me even. Allah al-Azim. Too much difficult. That's. I will read outside of the board. 14 sentence or 14 letter. His name. So from 15 dynasty. تحتمس. لا 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 تحتمس لا. لا ده لا يخرب بيته.
Guys. Sorry. So ayan guys, papunta tayo sa Temple of Hot Ship Suit. So nag-CR ako kaya naiwan ako sa grupo. Ayun na sila. Then libre doon. Ayun sila kumakakuya sa group. Tapos ito, kinausap ko, libre ako dito. Eh, sabi niya, sakay ka na, sabi niya. Hindi na ako naglakad, ang layo kasi yung iba naglakad. Ayun na siya. So, wow! Yeah. Shukran. Ayan na siya guys.
Went to the valley of the Hindi, saw something here, so he just bended it and carved it in the mountain. Relationship, love relationship between
Temple of Hatshepsut in Luxor, Cairo.
And he changed. So should be the names, or we should say Thutmose Temple. Why we keep calling Hatshepsut Temple? From where we know. I know the answer, but you should give me this question. Right?
Go to AI.
So,
No signal.
Isis, Osiris, and Anubis. Okay? The 5 images. In front of each image should be one image for Hatshepsut, but removed. Okay? The room on another side, we call it Hathor Chapel. So there is a picture for Hathor as a cow when Hatshepsut feed her. Hathor, she's a mothership and musician.
So, eto na ang Temple of Hatshepsut. Ayan guys. Siya ay naging queen, na naging king. Dineclare niya dahil walang tagapagmana. Dineclare niya siya na ang magiging king. Kasi yung step brother niya is 5 years old pa lang. So, kailangan may ruler. So dineclare niya siya ay naging king, naging lalaki. So may balbas bigote siya na fake. Tapos yung mga advisors niya sinabi na nanganak na naging lalaki siya. Kaya siya ang naging King of Egypt. Yan guys. So lang umakyat, mataas. Pero napakaganda. Yan guys. Ayan na siya guys. Ayan na siya. Ayan. Ang laki pala. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga guys. 30 minutes na kami dito. Ayan, akyat tayo ulit. Ayan, akyat pa more. Taas na siya. Ayan, yung valley. Oh, meron pa pala dito. You been inside?
Yes.
Okay.
There is a key, but there are some colorful paintings.
Ah, okay. Thank you. And this was restored 65%.
جوه الموسيقى حط جوه خالص خلفه ثاني قاعد
Executive assistant writing French, English, Spanish, Turkish, Chinese.
Wow. Guessing niyo ako. Nasira na tong lugar na to dati. Kaya lang ni-restore nila, dinig nila, hinanap nila yung mga nasira dahil sa earthquake. So 65% ang na-restore, pero kung may missing, hindi nila binuo. They just keep it like that. Ayan siya. So ang ganda. The Temple of Hatshepsut. Okay guys, lakad na kami. Ito yung mga kasama ko sa tour from Egypt and from India. So yan, view mo. So lakad muna kami papunta doon kung saan yung sasakyan. Ayan. Ang bayad sa ano namin, tour guide and sasakyan is 250 Egyptian rupees, Egyptian pounds, Egyptian pounds, and then dito ang entrance is 440 Egyptian pounds. So yun guys, you have to pay for 20 Egyptian pounds.
I'm going to you see some of the places.